Hey guys, it's gonna be a quick unboxing of my new steering wheel for the 335i. I got it through a guy on Instagram who does a whole bunch of custom steering wheels for Beamers and a bunch of other cars. I ordered it about a month ago. They made it just how I wanted it. Shipped it all the way from Ukraine, and it finally came in. And so yeah, let's get it open. Alright, I know the setup's not ideal, but just bear with me here. Right, get my trusty karambit knife here, and let's open it up. Wow, they packaged this really well. Jesus. Okay. Jesus Christ. Okay, this is gonna be it. Alright, I'm gonna just cut this here. It's gonna take forever. Alright, just wanted to give you guys an update. After probably 3 minutes of pulling all this crap off, it's finally starting to look like a steering wheel. And yeah, let's get the rest of it off real quick. Okay, well that was quite the workout. Okay. First impressions, I mean, the quality is really good. The stitching's great. Leather feels really good. It does have the pre-LCI paddles, but I'm gonna swap them out with the LCI ones that I have. I'm really digging this trim. Looks like they just wrapped it with some of the similar leather. It is pretty firm. The steering wheel that I have is a lot more rigid. I mean, no. It's a lot more. I don't know what the word I'm looking for is. It's a lot softer. You can press into it. This is pretty stiff, but I mean, I don't know. It looks great. Yeah. So what I got was I got perforated leather on the sides. Got the red stripe at the 12 o'clock and flat bottom. Yeah, that's about it. Stay tuned for the install. Probably get that up in a couple days. Yeah, thanks for watching.